Well, friends, I take this opportunity today to share with you a very interesting story from the Vishnu Mahapuran, which is one of the 18 Mahapurans to exist in Hindu mythology. This story is about a conversation, a very interesting conversation between Lord Vishnu, the sustainer, and his favorite disciple or devotee, Sage Narada. Sage Narada is considered as one of the greatest devotees of Lord Vishnu. In fact, he claims himself to be the greatest ever devotee of Lord Vishnu. So once Narada and Vishnu were sitting together, and Narada happened to ask Lord Vishnu as to who is your most favorite devotee. Of course, Narada asked this rhetoric question to flatter himself. He wanted to hear the answer from Lord Vishnu that he himself, meaning Sage Narada himself, was the most favorite devotee of Lord Vishnu. But to his dismay, Lord Vishnu had a smile on his face and he said, "There is this one farmer staying in a small village on earth who happens to be my most favorite devotee." Narada was very dejected to hear what Lord Vishnu had to say. So he asked Lord Vishnu that I spent all my day chanting your name, Narayan, Narayan, is the only thing which you hear for most of the day from my mouth. And in spite of me having devoted most of my day to your worship and to having you in my thoughts, how on earth can you say that somebody else is a greater devotee of you than me, a more favorite devotee, a more favorite to you than me? How is it possible? I feel I am your most favorite devotee. Lord Vishnu had a smile on his face. He said, Narada, I will explain to you why I consider that particular farmer as my favorite devotee, and for that you need to go to earth and see his life for a day. I want you to track him from morning till evening. Be with him. We become invisible. You have the powers to become invisible, so he should not know that you are tracking him. And right since morning when he gets up till end of the day, I want you to be with him and see how he spends his day. Narada found this pretty interesting. Next day morning, early in the morning, he disappeared. He made himself disappear and reached the home of this particular farmer, poor farmer. He was a very, very poor person. And as he got up, the first thing that he did after getting up was starting the day with the name of the Lord. Then he went to wash his face. Before washing his face, he again took the name of Lord Vishnu. Then he had his breakfast. Before having his breakfast, he again took the name of Lord Vishnu. Followed by his bath, he then left for his field. When he went in to take his bath, again he prayed to Lord Vishnu, took the name of Lord Vishnu twice before starting his bath. Before leaving his home for his field, again he took the name of Lord Vishnu twice. He reaches his field, he starts his work, again he takes the name of Lord Vishnu twice before he starts his work. In the afternoon, he sits to have lunch, his humble lunch. Before starting his lunch, again he takes the name of Lord Vishnu. So, all through the day, Narada observed that this particular farmer was just a normal human being doing his daily duties, but before everything that he did, he would take the name of Lord Vishnu twice. Narada, in his desperation, counted the number of times that farmer took the name of Lord Vishnu all through the day. That number was something like maybe 200 times that farmer took the name of Lord Vishnu all through the day. Narada had a hearty laugh. As he travelled back to Lord Vishnu, to heaven, and met Lord Vishnu, he told Lord Vishnu that, was this some kind of a joke? This farmer does not spend time worshipping you. He is just a normal human being who does his deeds. And he has taken your name only 200 times since morning till end of the day before he went to bed. And just with 200 chants of your name, somebody who doesn't even offer flowers to you, doesn't even spend time doing the puja of of your Murti. He's just spending his time doing his daily course and he chants your name 200 times a day. You think he's your most favorite devotee? He's the most devoted person worshipping Lord Vishnu in the world? How is that possible? I would be taking your name thousands of times every day. By far, I am a greater devotee of you than him. Lord Vishnu had a smile on his face. He said, Narada, I want to put you through a small test. I'll give you a pitcher of oil. The pitcher of oil was filled to the brim. And he gave a task to Narada that you have to travel a particular distance, maybe a distance of something like 50 meters, with a pitcher on your head. And the task is not a single drop of oil should spill from the pitcher. If the oil spills from the pitcher, then you are not my most favorite devotee. That's the task. Narada said, yes, this is a very, very difficult task. The oil was really full up to the brim. He had to be very cautious and careful through this activity. But devoted that he was, Narada successfully completed the task. He now had a smile on his face. He said, I have won the competition. Now, I am your greatest devotee. Do you agree? I have not spilled a drop of oil from the pitcher by your grace. So do you now agree I am your greatest devotee? Vishnu had a smile on his face. He said, sorry, Narada. That farmer still continues to be my greatest devotee. And you know the reason why. Let me ask you a simple question. You did this activity just now, right? In the course of this activity, how many times did you take my name? Or did you even think about me for once? And I want an honest answer from your side. I don't want a lie. I am an Antaryami. I know what is there in your mind. Narada, with his head hung in shame, he said, I am very sorry. I never took your name during this activity. In fact, I never thought about you during this activity because I had only one goal in my mind, and that was to reach the other end with a pitcher on my head without spilling a drop of oil from the pitcher. Because of my focus on the activity for this period of a few seconds that I did this activity, yes, I did not take your name for once, neither did I think about it. He said, that's the difference. A devotee is not one who worships the idol. A devotee is not one who cooks food for me and offers naivedya to me every day. A devotee is one who is connected with me in every walk of life. The difference between you and that farmer is, before he does anything in his life, he surrenders to me. He takes my name twice, he remembers me. And taking my name, he does that activity. And that activity could be something as minuscule as getting up from his bed, or something as minuscule as going to the bathroom and having a bath. Everything that farmer does, before that, he remembers me for once. He takes my name twice. And you, Narada, you may be chanting my name thousands of times a day. But when it comes to difficult times in life, when it comes to challenging situations, you forgot your favorite god. So now, Narada, I want you to decide who, according to you, is more devoted to me. Is it you or is it that farmer? Narada's head hung in shame. He had tears in his eyes. He, through a beautiful story and a beautiful experience, Lord Vishnu had taught him a wonderful lesson of devotion. Never again in his life did Narada ask this question to Vishnu, and yes, from that day onwards, everything that Narada did, he would always take the name of Narayan twice before getting into that particular act. This is devotion. This is faith in God. God doesn't want offerings from you. God doesn't want riches from you. God just wants Him to be remembered in every walk of your life. Everything that you do, God should be the supreme, should be the primary force driving it. If you can do that, you don't need to do any penance. You don't need to do anything else to appease God. A beautiful story from Vishnu Puran, which I thought I should share with all of you. Look forward to more videos on this channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. Also, please hit the bell icon so that you can receive future updates from my channel. And last but not the least, please do like the video and share this channel to your loved ones, to your friends. More on this channel when we meet next. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.